also supplied us with digital content that you can put on a screen, and you can take your finger and you can spin around and really look at the airplane. And we have a part. There's just too much information here to put in a small exhibit. So there's lots to explore, and then there's the Japanese giving the parts back to the United States company and then putting it in a crate.